Hey, I'm Joey. The last video I made, I showed you how to make a basic HTML web page. This time I'm going to show you how to expand on it using CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet, and it defines how to display an HTML element. More specifically, what I'm going to show you is an external style sheet, which is a single file that can be used to alter, multiple pages. First thing I want to point out is I added another this is the web page I made last time. I added another H1 and another paragraph for a reason I'll show later. And I made a second one of it. Now let's just get rid of the background color real fast. And save. Now take a look. No background color. Completely white, blank, nothing. Now let's link the external style sheet to, these pages. Mine is cssexample.css. Now let's bring this up. This is the external style sheet. Now I'll do this. Body, background, color, red, and then now let's take a look. As you can see, it changed them both at once because both of the pages are linked to it. And this is really useful if you're working with multiple pages at once. Now, the next thing I'll show is this. H1, background, color, red. No, actually blue, so they don't blend in, and you'll actually be able to tell. I don't know what I was thinking. Let's take a look. See, it changed both of the H1s on both of the pages, but didn't alter anything else. Now with mine, it's not going to look real pretty. I'm just showing you an example of how it works. Now next, let's do this. Let's go to these and go to the first paragraph tag and do ID equals para 1. Save it. ID equals para 1. Okay. Now what I just did, I'll show this real fast. Para number para 1. Text align center color white. Let's take a look. See, it centered that one paragraph, and it also changed the text white. Now one thing I want to mention is, with CSS, there's two different parts, like a selector and a declaration. The selector, well, one or more declarations. The selector is sort of showing what it is, and the declaration is showing how it, how it will be displayed. Like the background color is blue. Now, let's take a look at this real fast. I'm going to do H2 also. Okay, let's take a look. As you can see, there's the H1s are in blue and the H2 is in green. Now what I'm going to show here is margins. If you don't like them going all the way across, you can set a margin for them. So let's do that. Margin top 50 px. Margin bottom. Margin left. And now margin right. Okay. Now, I'm not going to make you watch me type that again, so I'll just paste this. Now let's take a look. See this? Now there's a margin there. It's not going all the way across the screen. Now I know this web page does not look pretty, I wasn't trying to make it look great. I was showing you what you could do. You could use CSS to make yours look better. Mine, I used it to make it look fairly bad, but it's distinct examples. So I'm going to show. I hope you found it useful, and I hope you enjoyed it.